Yes, me there again, my people. Big up, you know, respect and manners to each and everyone. Yeah, just I present videos to you that are being talked about on social media. As I say, not all of them, but some of them. Alright, so first up, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show when police from within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago held on to a person. Yes, the video had been recorded within the country of Trinidad and Tobago, and it is said that the person had been detained or arrested by police. Now, viewers and subscribers, there's also another video that shows when police placed what some people might call a trolley, along with other things, at the back of a motor vehicle that some people might call a police service motor vehicle or just a police motor vehicle. So, my viewers and subscribers, so I don't have any confirmed information as to why police held on to the person or why the person had been detained or arrested by police, but I present the video to you and let you take a look at it for yourself. You can let me know what you think, you know. I got the understanding that some questions are being asked about the video on social media. Anyways, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Observe.
Red man! Look, you lock up the trolley, man. There we go. Straight up on the trolley.
It's not really a long video, my people. You see me I say? Yeah, so that's one of the videos them that I'm presenting to you that have been talked about on social media. You see me I say? Alright, so now I am going to put together and present to you two pieces of videos that have been posted on social media about a situation where it is said that the police officers or law enforcers from within the country of Jamaica went inside of a house that is located within the country that is known as Jamaica. Now, viewers and subscribers, if you listen carefully to these videos, you can get some form of understanding about the whole situation. As I say, in one piece of these videos, a person who you can hear talking in the background said or asked, am I under arrest? And someone said, yes, you are now. You see me I say? So I got the understanding that these pieces of videos are from a live recording, viewers and subscribers. So let's take a look at them and let's see how this whole situation go. Alright, and viewer discretion is advised for these pieces of videos. Observe.
Police run in on mother and her kids.
Somebody on the phone. I'm not talking to anyone of me. I use the indecent language.
I am warning you for indecent and calumnious language.
Call a liar for me now, please. Call a liar. And them search and nothing in here. So now them come tell me say me for go down a station. Me not left them in my house. Me not left them in my house. To be processed for under arrest.
Yes, you are now.
Yes, I am now. Hey, listen. Come meet me down at station, no? Come meet me down at station.
Can you comply with the police?
I don't know, but I'm gonna go down there because I'm under arrest. My phone battery the 9%. Come meet me down there. Call Lemar and tell him because the internet I got cut off.
I don't leave them in your house and I make them call them a wicked police.
Me not left them in my house. Me not left them in my house. After me I'm an idiot. Through that system me I walk back at them like them shadow. So now me under arrest.
Let me call a liar.
Call a liar.
Well, my people, that situation was really and truly set away. You see me I say? Alright, so here I am going to present a video to you. Now, why you listen carefully to some words that a person say in this video. And would I like you to tell me if you agree or if you disagree with some words that a person say in this video. After I present the video to you, I'm going to tell you what I think about at least one point that the person made in the video. Because apart from some allegations that the person made in the video, I think that the person made at least one valid point. You see what I say? Soon talk about that, and in my point of view, the person talk good about a politician from within the country of Jamaica, viewers and subscribers. Alright? Anyways, Here's the video. Look, listen, observe, and tell me if you agree or if you disagree with some words that the person say in this video. Observe.
Hear me now. Listen to me. Me's a plain talk, man. I me no fear nobody. God me serve, and a God me fear, and a God me trust. Me live a shared forest, East Portland. A long time we no get no water in the area. PNP who control the water system, I sabotage the system. Me a call him name, Sullivan. Him control the water. And him a boycott the water. And because we not get no water, it's a political fighting. Hear me now. This man they have a roadblock in my community, a short forest, East Portland, and my rivers area. And police come. Police do very little. I don't know if police are take part, but them do very little. And a long time the roadblock hold out for. And police did and police now do nothing. So I don't know if them are take part. Anyway, from my gate going out to the crossroad square, a piece of log did in the road where somebody did a push out already for pass, and me take it out. Me push it out of the road. Me have my machete in my hand, me do some work on my yard, you know. So me I walk out the crossroad now. And when me I walk out the crossroad, I sharp my machete. You see a taxi boy with one piece of machete in his hand. I said to me, say, where you go? Me say, where you go to chop me? Me don't even pay no mind, me just walk past him. Anyway, me come back around my yard and me do some work around my yard. And me see one politician man come and me say, Mr. John, the people them a beat them baby. I beat them own a baby. You hear what the man said to me? You hear what the man said to me? Them have to do something to draw attention, the people attention. Me say you can't draw people attention that way. You organize a roadblock. If you're organizing a roadblock and you demonstrate for something, organize yourself and write up some placard and stand up along the wayside and demonstrate. You can't block the community, blocking yourself, block from Tallington to Zion Hill Crossroad. Everybody are come and you block from Zion Hill Crossroad to Clear Spring. What goes so? One handful of people, whether you are Labour Right or PNP, when you not demonstrate with so, when you can affect the travelling public like that and pick if you go to school and do the exam. And you block in the people, then you block everybody, you block the public. You there short forest now. And you blocking yourself a short forest. You can't go east, you can't go west, you can't go north, you can't go south.
Blocky.
Non-such people from non-such Cambridge, them not blocking themselves because them free. And who know a short forest, a handful of Labour Right and PNP. Block in on yourself and affect the travelling public.
Blocky.
You not do it that way. You not do it beat something in ignorance. Suppose somebody, a woman in the community taking fear of baby and she die. Who? What might not happen? Somebody taking sick and want go Port Antonio a doctor.
Okay.
And then can't go roadblock and that person dead. Who gonna get charged? Who gonna charge? Gonna go say? We not do it, we not do things that way. And a long time we don't have no water, but this is not because of we don't have any water. It's a political fighting against Anne-Marie Vaz. It's a political fighting. And me telling you something, PNP people. You can't overcome Anne-Marie Vaz. None of you can overcome Anne-Marie Vaz. Because as she come build up East Portland. And nobody try say you go sabotage her. You can't sabotage her. You can't sabotage her because the PNP no have no leadership. And no unity in them party. So you can't sabotage Anne-Marie Vaz. No way. You could have bought blood. Action on. You can't sabotage him. She work for East Portland. How many roads were never fixed for how many years? and Marie put road there. Fix up road. And because little water now, we not try sabotage the woman. The woman we are helping people in the community. One handful of people. And then the first time we don't do this, we don't block a ferry line, we don't block a bus stand. A 4 place up so on the block. And I try to sabotage the woman. We must stop it, man. Stop this political nastiness. We must stop it. Me not against it now, you know. But me I say, if we not go block road, do it the right and proper way. Organize yourself and write up some placard and stand up along the wayside. And action on yourself. You must have some discipline in yourself, man. You can't behave so. Like hooligan. You must stop it. And stop the political fighting. You must do better than that. Know yourself. God bless you now. We still love you, you know. But me I say, you can't do things that way. You must do it in a decent and in order and respectful.
Respectful.
You can't sabotage the traveling public like that. And even on yourself, a beating your own baby, a blocking on yourself.
Yeah, what that mean? Beating your own?
Blocking on yourself, you can't go east, you can't go north, you can't go west. No, on yourself, you not fight them. Oh, fool. God bless you, no. God keep you. I don't have anything against you. I have no bad mind against you. No. But we hear what I say. When you not do things, do it in the right and proper way. God bless you, no. God keep you and make his face shine upon you and give you no peace. No hard feelings.
You hear big man words, big man attack. You see me? Beat on one baby. Those words. You see me? I say, me have an idea with the person might use those words like our phrase or something like that. I have an idea. So I say, so based on them words, when say in my point of view, him talk good about a politician. I'm gonna say a politician. So I say, Zed. And you know, apart from certain allegations that the person made in the video, I think that the person made one or at least one valid point. Yeah, apart from allegations that the person made in the video, I think that the person made at least one valid point. And I'm talking about you know, when it comes on to blocking roads in what some people call demonstration or protest. As I say, we have to think sometimes, because it really and truly affect the people who actually have to go work, children go to school, so on, so on, so on. When you really and truly think about it, if somebody, you know, suddenly meet an accident or some form of illness or so forth, and a person wants to go to hospital, but because road block and there are long lines of traffic and so forth, the person might not get help quick enough, like an ambulance go for the person because of road block and protest. So me I say, so that right there, so I find that point there, you know, valid. That point there me I talk about. You see me? When me say at least one valid point. But overall, my people, when you think about those words that the person said, you can tell me if you agree or if you disagree with those words that the person said, my people. Alright, so yeah, so me I left it to know. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.